Hello and welcome, my name's Hannah and in today's video I am going to be trying the new Mac Lunar Luck Collection which they have released for Lunar New Year this year, which is on the 1st of February, and it is the year of the tiger, which is why we have this gorgeous tiger packaging on the front. I have the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter and a couple of shades in the various lip products. I'm pretty sure they have brushes in this collection as well, but I've just stuck to the makeup. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I've done my base already, except for my blush, which I'm going to match to my lip colour when I decide which one I want to put on. So I think that's probably a good place to start. They have two different types of lip products in this collection. They have the Powder Kiss lipsticks and the Powder Kiss liquid lip colours. They've got 4 different exclusive shades in each of those formulas. I picked up one of the Powder Kiss lipsticks in the shade Pure Luck, and then 2 of the Powder Kiss liquid lipsticks in the shades Luck Be a Lotus and Fortune Tell Me. These retail for £21 each, and I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to swatch them all on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to swatch them on the lips and we'll decide what we want to do, because I haven't decided what kind of look I want to go for today. So let's start with the lipstick. Here is what it looks like. And as I said, this is in the shade Pure Luck. And then we have the 2 Powder Kiss liquid lip colors. This is what they look like. We've got that gorgeous tiger packaging continued on to the inside as well. And this is in the shade Fortune Tell Me. And then this one is in the shade Luck Be a Lotus. This one's a bit deeper, a bit more reddy. They all look really nice. Let's try them on the lips. Okay, so I'm just going to try on Pure Luck, which is the lipstick formula. Very bright, very creamy, does feel very velvety on the lips. That's looking nice. Let's try the liquid lipsticks. So this is Fortune Tell Me. I did a terrible job with this. Okay, so that is Fortune Tell Me, a lot more pink, a little bit lighter, but still feels nice, creamy, velvety on the lips. So a nice formula. Terrible lip swatch. And then the last shade that I got was Luck Be a Lotus in the liquid lipstick formula. So let's put that on. The one thing I will say with the liquid lipsticks is it's very difficult to get a very precise line with this applicator. So I will have to clean that up in a little bit. So that is Luck Be a Lotus, which is more of a pinky reddy sort of colour, and this is exactly the kind of shade that I like. But having a look at the eyeshadow palette, do I want to go for this today? You know, I think I'm going to go for this shade on the lips. I'm just going to get a lip brush and try and tidy up the edges a lot. That's as good as it's gonna get, everybody. That's it. So what I'm gonna do next is just put on a tiny bit of blush. Let's go in with L'Oreal Le Blush in Rosewood. So next up we have the Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighter in the shade Lunar Lights. And this is what it looks like on the outside, and it has this gorgeous detail on the inside. I have to say the only gripe I have with this is plastic packaging like most of MAC's highlighters, but it just does feel a little bit cheap. I mean, this is £26, and although this is really gorgeous, seeing this little bit of plastic on the inside here where they just haven't coated it in this gold colour does make it look and feel a tiny bit cheap. But this is gorgeous and I'm sure it'll perform really well. So let's swatch it. Oh, don't want to ruin the pattern, it's gorgeous. But let's just swatch it. Nice. It's definitely a gold champagne color, very reflective. Okay, let's put that onto the cheeks. I'll try not go in too intensely with it at first. It's definitely very metallic on the skin, little bit glittery. I'm not sure if this has got an overspray on it, to be honest. Really nice, very reflective, and a really nice color for me. And then finally in this collection we have the 9-pan eyeshadow palette in the shade Made My Fortune. This, again, I have the same kind of a gripe as the highlighter. It feels a little bit cheap, so it is magnetized. Let's get rid of that. It is magnetized, but this is plastic. And I mean, the eyeshadow palette is not very big. This is £28, by the way, and I don't mind an eyeshadow palette being this small. I don't usually use up all of my eyeshadow palettes, so this is like a really lovely travel size. But the plastic packaging, and there is no mirror in here, I just feel like it could have been slightly better for the money that you're paying. But again, I'm sure the formula will be great. So let's swatch all the shades on the back of my hand. So those are all of the shades swatched on the back of my hand, a nice mix of mattes and shimmers. I also think this shade is a tiny bit more glittering than the others, which is quite nice. It's almost a duochrome purple pink shift, which is nice. I'm wearing a white tracksuit today, so this was probably the wrong outfit to wear while swatching a whole bunch of makeup. What I think I'm going to do is put this shade all over the lid, and then go in with this as almost like a liner, and then put one of the gold shades on the inner corner and slightly in, just to give it a bit of a pop. I think that could look quite nice. So let's do that. Let's start by putting this shade here all over the lid. I'm just gonna fluff that into the crease as well. And I'm just going to put that under the eyes as well. Just a side note on the highlighter, it is emphasizing texture along here. And I think that's just because it's a little bit glittery. Okay, so we've got this very thin brush here. And what I'm going to do is go into the red shade here and then smoke that out as a faux liner. A little bit further out than I wanted, but oh well. Can never ever make them even. And then I'm just going to take this brush here and just put a little bit more on each side, so we get a bit more of that red colour. The issue I always have with this eye is I have a little scar above the eye here where I think I ran into a wall as a child and had to get stitches, but it always means that it's really difficult to get pigment in the little indent. Frustrating. Just gonna grab a bit of powder, clean that up. Looking slightly more even on both sides now. Next up, what I'm gonna do is decide whether I like this or this more. So these are the two golds. And I think I'm gonna put the brighter one on the inner corner and a little bit below and above. Let's see if we can build up the intensity by using our finger, which we probably definitely can. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's it for the eyeshadow, and they did perform really well. They felt very nice, pigmented, creamy. The shimmers definitely, I think, better applied with finger, but really, really nice. I am just going to do some mascara and I'll be right back. So this is the final look using the Lunar Luck Collection from MAC. I think the quality of the products themselves were really, really nice. I particularly like the lip products. They're really nice, bright, and a bit different, stuff that I don't have in my collection already. I think if you know you like this formula and you like the colors in this collection, then I would definitely go for it, purchase these. I don't think you need this collection. I don't think that it is one that you have to run out and get right now, but it was nice. The eyeshadows were really creamy, really pigmented, also very nice. As I said, a little disappointed in the packaging because it just doesn't feel as collectible with this plastic packaging, but you know, formula was very nice and I do love this tiger motif on the front. The highlighter is a tiny bit glittery for my taste, but it's still very, very nice. This is gorgeous, this imprint, but again, packaging feels just a tiny bit cheap. I think this is quite similar to the normal MAC highlighter formula. So if you like this color and you like this little tiger print and you know that you like MAC's formula, then I would definitely go for it. But as I said, I don't think you desperately need this collection, but it is nice. So that's everything from me today. If you liked this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you like me and you want to see more videos from me, then please do hit the subscribe button down below. I hope you're having a fantastic day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.